You ever be at the store and you get overloaded with too many products? Not at Big Mama's.
Proudly brought to you by Nocta, your one-stop shop for everything you need.
Last minute gift shopping, a disaster? Not at Big Mama's. Can't find the perfect postcard to send to your Big Daddy? Not at Big Mama's. Soda always flat? Not at Big Mama's. Y'all still making it rain? Not at Big Mama's. We make it snow. Bad breath? Not at Big Mama's. So come on down, come on down, come on down. We always open. You know them other stores? They gonna close on you. But not at Big Mama's.
Big Mama's exclusive items are available only at official Big Mama's locations. Please note, Nocta assumes no responsibility for any creasing, wear, or tear inflicted upon your coveted Citron Tint Air Force Ones. Nocta, your one-stop shop for everything you need.